Hello, this is Steve Clore with Newell Coach. Today we're going to talk about the operation of your onboard battery charger. So your onboard battery charger, if you do not have access to 50 amps and you want to maintain your chassis batteries with the battery charger, you can plug in an extension cord from a wall outlet. So if we did not have 50 amps, we could plug an extension cord in here that is plugged into a wall outlet, and this would power our battery charger and would trickle charge the chassis batteries without having the 50 amps connected. Okay, so over here in the passenger side engine compartment, you have your on-off switch for your onboard battery charger. With it currently in the off position, you are charging just the chassis batteries. If you would turn that on, then you would at that point charge both the chassis and the house batteries using your onboard battery charger. That concludes our video about the onboard battery charger. But remember, if you have any other questions, you can call the 1-888-3-NEWELL number and speak with one of our technicians.